In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use the import data formula in Google Sheets. To begin, open a new Google Sheets spreadsheet. The import data function is a simple way to pull structured data straight into your sheet from the web. It is designed for files like CSV, which are comma-separated values, and TSV, which are tab-separated values. Compared with other import functions that scrape web pages, import data works best when the source is already a clean data file, like a download link that ends in .csv or .tsv. Once your blank sheet is open, click into the cell where you want the imported data to start, typically the top left cell of your table, such as cell A1. It is important to choose a starting cell with plenty of empty space around it, because the results will expand automatically. This is called the spill effect. If the file has many rows and columns, Sheets will fill as many cells as it needs. If any of those destination cells already contain content, the import can fail with a reference error, so keep that area clear. Now type the formula, enter $, then import data, then an opening parenthesis, and then paste the direct URL to the CSV or TSV file inside quotation marks, followed by a closing parenthesis. In other words, it looks like import data, open parenthesis, quote URL, quote close parenthesis. Make sure the link you use points directly to the raw data file, not a normal web page. Many public datasets provide a direct CSV link, and those are ideal. After you finish typing the formula, confirm it in the cell. Google Sheets will reach out to the URL, fetch the file, and then populate your sheet with the data, spreading across rows and columns automatically. Depending on the size of the file and your connection, it may take a moment to load. If you see an error, the two most common causes are a link that is not a true CSV or TSV file, or cells in the spill range that are not empty. In that case, clear the surrounding cells or choose a different starting cell and try again. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.